action, Scotty.
Okay, we have squirty issues, so I gotta do some... Oh, wait. Can I do it?
Is that your hose for your squirt?
Yeah. Isn't everybody's hose like that?
Well, mine's about that big around, but not that long.
Okay, so...
Anywho.
We make squirty.
Start behaving.
We're gonna go here. So, squirties are done.
For now. Except for now. Open port in that T.
Yeah, which that's gonna probably, we're gonna have to do some rerouting a little bit.
Yeah, we'll get on that in a minute.
We got 2 squirties over here.
These are coming today.
Right, so that's not a problem. So we'll get the transmission done. Well, what don't you see, ladies and gentlemen?
A wire harness laying all over the fucking place.
It's tucked, ran, bagged, plugged, and in place. Now, down to the transmission.
Yep, that's for 400.
Down to the tailhouse of the transmission.
Mm-hmm. All right, so those are there.
Out of that,
we got to hook up the starter over here.
Okay.
And a ground, but that's nothing major. Our AC, we did that yesterday, the compressor.
Yep.
Everything up here is bagged that needs to be covered and routed.
Yep.
And you bagged all the, because the oil sensor and the water temp, and what was that?
All the sending units on the engine.
The
are
OE
now
sending units are not going to be
using the digitals, and they use a different sensor.
And we have to make our own harness for that.
So not a big deal.
Yeah.
So because I don't believe in cutting a wiring harness.
No.
Ever.
We don't cut wiring harnesses.
It's being built specifically just for, we don't care. Well, we care here.
Yeah.
It's just what we do here at this shop.
We care.
So everything that wasn't being used or isn't being used now got wrapped up, put in a bag, and zip strapped tight. And then zip strapped tight to the harness.
You can kind of see some of them in there.
Yep.
Oh, right there. All right, there.
So at any point in time, if the owner of this car says, you know what?
I want to go back.
I want to go back to factory. He can go back to factory with absolutely every single plug connection, all back to factory, so that his factory wiring harness will still be a factory wiring harness. And
Painless.
that to me is most important.
Yeah, nice and painless.
Because we don't know what's going to happen next. I mean, he may drive this for 10 years and never do anything to it, or he might drive it 6 months and go, nope, I want that look back. I want that feel back. And we'll do it.
Yeah.
You know. But everything is hooked up. Oh, wait. Hold on. I got to put the booty on the on the nuts.
Whoa. Yeah, so we got
there.
that. Everything's there on the alternator. We do have the other alternator bracket we can pop on real quick. Mo will be here very soon with the pulleys. So, Scotty... Wrong Mo.
Damn.
You could probably undo that belt on the power steering and pull that fucking pulley off there off the crank.
Right.
So we're ready. We could do that. But look at us, man. It's styling. Everything firewall forward is basically done.
And let's check the date, because I don't know. Today's 24th.
It is the 24th.
24th. So depending on how things go.
Well, I know we're going to have these harnesses get delivered to Mo on Monday, so we'll have them Tuesday. What are you doing, Mike?
I'm going to smack a pulley off.
Yeah.
Need to get the home builder.
Ooh, get the build a house hammer?
Yeah, build a house here.
Look at that. This will be ready when Mo gets here. He's supposed to be here half an hour ago. I'm getting worried. I'll text him here in a minute. Ooh, the alternator bracket, the other one's on. Oh, shit in there, buddy. Fire, Scotty, fire. Scotty. All right.
Yeah. I'm just getting too old to be bending like this.
This guy's too old for this shit.
Oh, I've been too old for this shit for years.
Oh, look at the oil river that's coming out of there now.
Do not tell me we have to do a pump seal. I
Front
mean,
seal?
front seal.
I hope not. We'll see what it does. But be forewarned, we might have to.